All right, this is a little review of Ohm's law, and this is the worksheet we want you to do for extra practice. So just going to highlight a few things for you. You have your three formulas up top. V equals I times R equals V over I, and I equals V divided by R. I, of course, is current, V is voltage, and R is resistance. So the first question we'll do is an example, so just kind of follow along so you can see how you should do it. Remember, you always have to list out what the question tells you. So a good thing to do is underline 160 volts, and the resistance is 2 ohms. So we write that over here. Resistance is 2 ohms, and question mark for current. The formula is I equals V over R. Now sub in your units, 160 volts divided by 2 ohms.
Mommy.
Final answer is 80 amps, which in reality is a really high number. But notice the things we look for. List your variables, formula, sub in with units, circle final answer.